How to hide who you follow on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide who you follow on Twitter or how you can hide your following list on Twitter. Now, to do so is quite simple. What you'll need to do is you'll need to set your account to private. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to do so. First, open up the Twitter app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, make sure you're logged into your account and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and head into settings and support option at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then head into settings and privacy. Now, what you want to do is head into the privacy and safety option, tap on it and head into the first option, audience and tagging here. Now here, what you want to do is you'll find the option protect your tweets. Simply toggle this switch on, and once you do this, anyone else beside your followers won't be able to who you have followed on Twitter. So this way you can hide who you follow on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.